Why-doo-dee, you're finally 17. Be why-doo-dee, you're finally 17. Be why-doo-dee, you're finally 17. Be why-doo. Okay, now you can get us in the R-rated movies.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yes.
I want to go in the R-rated.
Can you? Open the crayon. Get the crayon out. Why don't you take the crayon out?
Because I didn't know it was a crayon.
Dummy.
I know.
I love you.
Why do you break a crayon?
Mandy has skills.
It's stabbing me. I'm going to deal with that later.
Good.
Yes! I'm Iron Woman. Those possibilities. That will sit with me right now.
I know you love that. That's why we got it. Oh.
I have one that matches that.
What is that, Steph?
That is a coffee pot that is broken.
What
Wait,
is
no.
it?
I have no idea what it is.
It's a miniature.
It's a mini appliance.
Mini appliance. Very nice.
I wonder if it actually makes coffee.
Mini appliance.
Has a cherry, it has a cherry.
Yes, it does. It has a cherry. And it has popsicle stuff in it. And what's this?
It smells really good.
It's cherries.
Oh, it smells so good.
That was Carolyn right there.
Right.
All right, open the crayon. What's in it, Steph? What's in it?
I don't know. I only see it was nerds.
Come on, you only got
Don't you love
you
nerds?
got 1
Yes.
minute to go.
And
A lot of nerds.
what else? What else do you love
I don't know. I can't.
that could fit in there?
Kit Kats? Kit Kats! Dude, I haven't got Kit
Don't you love Kit Kats?
I can't eat. I haven't eaten them in so long.
Wait, but don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Whew, I was about to say. I should know my best friend.
Alright, well, I think we should present her cake.
Oh, you want to see your cake, Steph?
Have anything cake?
I have to get it. Hold on. Are you ready? This is Steph's cake. Do you see that? That is Steph's cake.
What does it say? What does it say,
Is this
Steph?
macaroni on it?
What does it say, Steph? What does it say?
Bangy booties.
Yeah! Let's eat some cake.
Why is there macaroni on it?
But I don't know. It came with it.
Well, I can't get this out.
Well, you're gonna have to try really hard.
And I have to go.
That is all.